Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is April the 9th, 2020. As you all can see on the top left side of the screen, we are going to give you all a price prediction for XRP and see whether or not this market is going to continue to push up past $1.10, $1.15 to see $1.50 into the future. So if today is your first time ever viewing our content and you all appreciate it, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel. We give you all the play-by-play as to where we're expecting the price to go, all without being confused. So make sure you join us, follow us, and subscribe to this platform. So real quick, it's been about 3 days. You guys can see it already that we did our price prediction into the market for XRP, and the market in XRP, when we did our video, was trading around $1.03. Now, we told you all that the market was going to find some restrictions, some more selling right there around $1.10, $1.15, and that is pretty much what occurred going into April the 7th. Now, one thing that I can tell you that I'm seeing on this price chart is the fact that the market is still feeling giddy about strength. It is still wanting to move higher in price. That is something that the trap is trying to tell us today. So yes, the strength is still here into the market in XRP. The only issue that we have already seen is the fact that $1.10 and $1.13 is the area to where it can't break across. It's not ready. But from what happened yesterday into the market right here, lets us know that there is enough buyers in the market to at least let us know that he's going to continually try to break that price above $1.10. Which is great. That's great news because it lets us know that we still have time to see the market in XRP go higher. Now, the question is, do you see enough momentum? Is there going to be enough energy to actually successfully break that price up above $1.10, $1.15? Because looking at this on the 2-day time frame, it's not there. So it might be a long, drawn-out process before the market in XRP is able to break above $1.10. Now, what we are seeing here on the 3-day time frame, this particular bar right there, is what we consider a probable precursor to strength. So that literally means in the formation of the next 3-day price bar, we need to see the market in XRP close above this current close on this 3-day price bar, because if not, then that is when we'll know that the market in XRP is losing gas, is getting weaker and weaker as time goes on, and we won't be expecting the market to break $1.10 to $1.15. So the next 3 days after today is going to be real important for the market to close above that current close that you see right there. Now let's look at this on a 5-day time frame real quick. So even here on the 5-day time frame, we still have a day and 14 hours left, but there has been a lot of volatility going on into the market for XRP. So much so that we've seen the market drop all the way down to 80 cents, and we've seen the market go all the way up there towards $1.10. So it's kind of like a wash. And the reason I say this is because the volume definitely is coming through, and there has been so much of a mixture between the buyers and the sellers within the last 5 days that it's kind of foggy. And to see who's actually going to win out is undetermined at this moment. All right. So let me look at this on a I'm gonna look at this on an hourly time frame first, but again, we are in breakout right now in XRP. So obviously we're going to maintain the strength. We're going to maintain our price prediction in XRP. It just might be drawn out, might be a week, might be 2 weeks before we actually see this market in XRP come up here towards $1.20 to even $1.40. But it's a process that is in play, right? This is something that is ongoing into the market in XRP. It's just taking the trap a while to increase that price. And it's good to see though that this market volume is definitely coming through right now in XRP. It's very good to see that. I want you all to look right here on the monthly time frame in XRP, and this is still in play. So this is the other reason why the market strength is still anticipated to continue to go on in XRP in the long term, right? I told you all that the month of March was going to be real important as to where we're headed in the long term. If we were to close below the month of February, then definitely I would not be expecting XRP to go higher. But that wasn't the case. We saw the market in XRP close higher than the previous close. So that's why we're seeing the spread come in for the month of April. That's why we're seeing this market give us so much volatility to the upside right now. It's because what occurred the last 2 months from February and March. Okay. So yeah, the market in XRP is still in the uptrend. This is going to be the new area of support. So don't let no one else try to come and tell you otherwise. In the long term, 80 cents is that area of support, right? You can see it. So this market in XRP will continue to go higher until this market breaks 80 cents to the downside from the long-term perspective. All right. Now, I told you 80 cents is support. Take a look at what I just shown you on the 5-day time frame. The market came and held support already at 80 cents. So we already established that. The trap has already shown us that 80 cents is going to be the support area. So anytime from now until whenever, 80 cents cannot be broken to the downside in order for this market to see higher price. Okay. Now I'm going to look at this on the hourly time frame to see if we're going to continue on with our last prediction that we did the last 3 days. And actually, I still see the strength here. You know, the market momentum in XRP is still being garnered. It is still being seen. You guys can see that we are still in an uptrend in the market for XRP. What about on the 5-hour? So looking at this market in XRP on the 5-hour time frame is pretty much still here too. 9-hour time frame, same thing. I'm still expecting some market strength to come through. Like I said, this prediction is going to be ongoing until either the market breaks this horizontal line above $1.13 or we break 80 cents to the downside. Then we'll let this prediction go. So until then, we're going to continue to ride with our last price prediction that XRP is still anticipated to see higher price movement. And based off what occurred yesterday, I'm not really seeing $1.13, $1.15 as being a very hard restriction area for the market to break up above. So for us, we might have to TP out the market in XRP at around $1.20. Okay. So that would be taking it from $1.20, about 15.25% market movement higher price. Okay. So that is something that we'll do. TP out the market in XRP at around $1.20. I mean, you could take profit off the table around $1.13 all the way up to $1.20 in the market for XRP though. Okay. So we're not going to change this price prediction. This is pretty much we're leaving it alone. Based off what we've seen the last 3 days is the reason why we're going to keep our prediction ongoing in the market in XRP. It's just taking the market a while. That's all. So now it's your turn. As always, we give you all the opportunity to call the markets right alongside with us. We want you all to drop your price prediction in XRP. Where do you think the market is going to go over the next 3 days? So that we can make sure that we are in position to capitalize and make this bag. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.